Hey, this is Kathy, and today I'm going to be making roasted broccoli. No, I'm not. I'm going to be making roasted... What is this stuff? Roasted Brussels sprouts. And the ingredients I'm going to be using is going to be cayenne pepper, onion powder, salt, garlic powder,
lemon
pepper, and olive oil, extra virgin olive oil, and of course the main thing, Brussels sprouts. These I already washed my Brussels sprouts and they dried and everything. I just got to cut them up and take the leaves, some of the leaves off of them. And let's get going. Let's see. Let me get my knife and my cutting board and my chair. I know plenty of y'all know how to cut up Brussels sprouts, but I'm gonna show you on a couple of them. Just pull off the some of the leaves that you don't want, but really I do like these leaves crispy. Cut off the ends right here, and then cut them in half, just like that. Off the ends, and if some of the leaves should come off, then just take them off, and then just cut them in half. I don't have a lot of Brussels sprouts, but kind of enough. And before I started keto, you couldn't get me to eat no Brussels sprouts. Oh no, but now I love them, and I'll come back when I finish cutting them up, and we'll continue with my little recipe. Okay, and I'm cut up all my Brussels sprouts. Now I'm gonna add my olive oil. Make sure you get everything coated in olive oil. Then mix it around to make sure everything is coated. Then I'm gonna add some cayenne pepper up in here. You can add whatever seasoning you like. I like spicy. You know, I love spicy. Some onion powder. Whatever floats your fancy. Some salt. Oh, that's I never tried it with lemon pepper, so I decided I'm gonna use some lemon pepper on it. And I'm gonna add some more oil to it too. I'll tell you what, that's a lot of daggone oil, you know it's not. And this gonna taste good. Then I get my sheet so I can put the Brussels sprouts in. Get your foil pan, dump it in. Then you take them and lay them cut side down. You're not supposed to have the pan crowded. But all these gonna fit up in here because I'm not dirtying up no more dishes. And also heat your oven up to 400 degrees. And we're gonna cook these for 25 to 30 minutes. Or depends on how roasted you want yours to be. I'm taking them and put them in my oven. My preheated oven for 25 to 30 minutes, and we'll come back at 20 minutes to check. All right, 25 minutes been up, so I'm going to go check the Brussels sprouts. Ooh, they look good too. Let me give me a spatula. Yeah, but I think they could go a couple more minutes. They're not crunchy enough for me. They're not crunchy enough for me. I'm going to leave them in about 5 more minutes. Okay, 5 minutes up. Let's check this Brussels sprout. Take the underside, see if they browned up a little. Oh yeah, these are ready. Put this oven on. Yeah, those look scrumptious. Can't wait to eat them. And that's the recipe for my broccoli. I don't know why I keep calling them broccoli. Brussels sprouts. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.